Hello there, good morning. This is Ria here from Maisie Design, and today we are going to be putting together the new Easter bonnet template that I've just launched in store. What I've done here is we've cut out our pieces. So what it's made up of is a rim. This is a scalloped rim here. You'll also notice that I've included just a straight one as well. I've got the top of your hat, and this is your side. This piece here, which I've just cut from cardstock, you could cut from faux leather if you wanted to, or foam, is actually the structure to help hold this together, and you'll see as we go along. Right, and finally this is your base. So I've cut that out of foam. It's just got two little slots in it, so we'll pop that to the side. So first of all, you want to take up your top piece. That is going to be the size of the circumference of your hat. So the idea is that you want this piece here, there we go, to wrap around and be the same size. So your edge, you'll see there's a tab there. Okay, so it's just where the tab starts to taper in is where you're going to glue, but I always think it pays to just check, like we've done there, because different fabrics have different thicknesses. Okay, so we want to glue that in place. There we go. Whoops. So we're making a circle. As I say, you've got your little top piece, and you can see that that is the right size. Okay, so you've got your wee ring. Now you want to take up the piece of card, and what I'm doing here is I'm just folding all these edges together. Now if you wanted to, this could be made from the same fabric, and if you've made my top hats, this is how they're made as well. But I realized after I had a wee play with this that it's much neater if you have that internal piece glued on, and then this can be stuck on top. Right, so I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So what I might do is I'll put a couple of dabs of glue on these tabs, one there, one there. I'm going to drop it in and pinch those two tabs I put glue on to the sides, okay, to line them up. So we've got two tabs glued on, and what we want to do is go around and glue on the rest. See that that's created just a bit of structure, and you're not going to see that because what we're going to do is we're going to glue that on top. Okay, so I'll put that on afterwards. Now we want to pop this on top of the bottom rim. So it's a little bit like what we've just done with the pink side. I'm going to try and see if I can fold. It's a bit hard with faux leather, but if you can kind of pinch them, or even if you've got a press, that might help as well. Just keeping these flaps down. Right. Okay. So just lift there. I'm not going to put too much on this. This will just be the first one. We want to do one side and then go to the other side and then do the opposite. Okay, that's it. So you can see how I've got that tab down, that tab down. So you can see it's a little bit floppy. But now, do I want glitter side up or down? Might be a bit scratchy on the head, so I might just do glitter. Okay, so I'm squishing that down and I'll work my way around. Keep coming round. I've used black so you can see it, but you probably would want to use something white, would probably be a little bit better on this. Right. Okay, and finally, we'll pop our lid on. Okay, so what we got here is our little hat. Okay, so what you might want to do is look at decorating it. So you could put some ribbon around it, or I've included a strip template, so you could cut a piece of faux leather to pop around. You could add a little bit of tulle. That's probably not the best colour, that one. Now I've got a wee pile here of paper flowers, which lots of people use on bows, but would look really good on this hat too. You could use Easter clays or even actually make some little mini bows. It's up to you. World's your oyster, go crazy. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you do with the Easter bonnet. Thanks for watching. Bye.